Hey guys, before starting this video, I want to apologize for the terrible audio quality. This is because I don't have my microphone with me currently and I am recording with the inbuilt microphone in my earphones. So the sound quality might not be the best and I do apologize for that. Okay, enough of the excuses, let's get on with the video. The person that we are going to be talking about in this video probably don't need any introduction, especially among the cricket fans out there. And since you clicked on this video, chances are you already knew about him. Stephen Peter Deverick Smith. I hope I pronounced that correctly. aka Steve Smith is an Australian cricketer and former captain of the Australian cricket team. Steve has shown his talent in the cricket field and got his fair share of popularity from that. With his typical salary and endorsements from different brands, his net worth is estimated to be somewhere around 23 to 27 million dollars. But we are not here to talk about that, right? This is a car channel and we are here to talk about his cars. So from what it all looks like from the surface, Steve is not that of a car guy, and even though his car collection might not be one of the fanciest, his choice of cars were not bad at all. So the first car in his list is the BMW M2. The BMW M2 is a fantastic choice for those looking for pure back to basics driving pleasure. The M2 has a back to basics approach without the usual electronic interference to get a more direct connection with the car. Even Jeremy Clarkson himself said, and I quote, "This is the best M car that BMW has ever made."
This is the best M car BMW has ever made.
Well, that sums it all up, I guess. The next car in his list is the Audi Q7. Even though the Q7 falls in the midsize luxury SUV segment, it is a massive car. Although quite understated in terms of its looks, the Q7 is a very elegant looking car in my opinion. Great car if you want a big luxury SUV but don't want to catch any attention, a typical Audi design language. Next up, we have a Range Rover, arguably one of the most popular, if not the most popular luxury SUV in the market. Just what Land Rovers are known for, Range Rover is also quite capable off-road. But let's be honest, your typical Range Rover owner won't take their cars on some serious off-road adventures that frequently, if at all. Nonetheless, the Range Rover is on the expensive side of the car spectrum, but it does give back with some of its unique characteristics. And lastly, we have a Rolls-Royce, a name with a pedigree when it comes to British automotive industry. Although not confirmed about the model, it's safe to assume it is the Rolls-Royce Ghost, the baby Rolls, that is in Steve's garage. The Ghost being the obvious choice for a first-time Rolls buyer, which gives more than enough luxury and pedigree for its price. So these were the 4 cars in Steve's collection. And that's it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Leave a like on this video if you guys liked it. Share it to your friend who loves cars. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next video.